So I've got some men's rain boots here. I'm gonna take them out. We've got some nice camouflage, and you can see what they look like. So you can see the rubber outsole here has some really good traction on the bottom of it, and these are gonna be 100% waterproof, just with this rubber sealing and the boot. This is 5mm neoprene fabric, and it does run all the way down inside of this rubber to help keep it nice and comfortable on the inside. So these are going to be easy to put on. You're just going to slip your foot in. It's just going to slip right down. Easy on, easy off. So if you want to, you can tuck in your pants, or you can leave your pants on the outside. It's entirely up to you. So these have a nice support on the bottom to give your feet some extra support, and they are nice and warm. Even if it's in cold weather, you're gonna stay nice and warm on the inside. So right here, it has a little spot that you can step to help make it easier to even take it off. You can see how easy that was. And the same thing on the other foot. You can just step and it just slips right off. So these are nice and waterproof. Just dump some water on there and it's not gonna go through at all. So walking on snow, these are gonna have nice good traction. You can see I'm not gonna slide hardly at all. They're gonna keep my feet in place where I want them. So these men's rain boots are super nice. I have them on out here in the cold. My feet are nice and warm. They're gonna help keep you nice and toasty. They're waterproof, great traction. These are gonna be great boots to use.